All right, so the question is, where should Tony be? Now, presumably we, can guess that he's going to either be a little bit above them, right up here, or he's going to be somewhere below them, but in between them. But where exactly should Tony be? Well, I'm going to use a construction to figure this out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this line tool. And I'm just going to put a marker for each person. All right, so I'm going to use right between them as our key points to represent where they are. And I can just click and drag them and draw a line between them. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this compass. And I'm going to see how I can use a circle to actually solve this problem and to find exactly where they should be. Now I can just click and drag this. And I want to make sure that the point on my left side is lined up with this first point. And I'm going to drag this point over here right onto the second one. Now I can zoom out so that I can see the whole compass. And I'm going to click on the pencil. I'm just going to hold it down. I'm going to draw a big circle. So the circle has a center at my first friend and has the second friend as a point on my first circle. To get rid of this particular compass, I'm just going to click delete, and I have the circle already inscribed there. I'm going to do another circle though. So I'm just going to click that back. And again, I have to move these pieces. But instead of them being at the center here, I'm going to make a second circle, and my second friend is going to be the center of that circle. I'm going to move this one on over, and I'm going to change my color. I'll make it blue. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click my pencil and draw my circle again, all the way around. And in order to get rid of it again, I'm going to click that delete button. And now I have two intersecting circles. The key pieces here are going to be where they intersect. And I can just go and put a little dot or a little point at those two intersection places. These are the two places that Tony could be. The distance from our first friend to Tony is the radius of this red circle, and the distance between our second friend and Tony is the radius of the blue circle. And those circles have the same radius length, so they are all the same distance. I could also find Tony could have stood right on down here. And that would have been my second possible location for Tony. No, that is not